बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम अल्लाहुम्मा रब्बि ज़िदनी इल्मा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम आमीन। P3 Logarithms lecture number 6. Today we will discuss the solving exponential equations and we will do the type 2 equations. Type 2 equation means the terms are either adding or subtracting or both. Method. First simplify the powers and then use the substitution method. Substitute the term that has the smallest power. For example, in this question, we have 5 power 1x here and 5 power 2x here. So we will substitute 5 power x to y or any other variable. You can just write 5 power x to u, 5 power x to v. I use y. Don't substitute 5 power 2x to y. This will make the calculation very difficult. Examples. So see, there are the types of the equations. These are the types of the equation where we use the substitution method. So we will substitute this 4 power x to y and we won't substitute this term, we will substitute only this term. I mean this power x to y. This is the way to use the substitution method. Now let's solve these two questions to understand the solution of exponential equations of type 2. So we are going to solve example number 1. To solve this question, first we need to simplify the powers. As we can write this 4x plus 2 as 4x times 4 power 2. Now we can use the substitution method. So let 4 power x be y. Therefore we have y plus 16 y times 16. Now we have to simplify this. We have to work for y. So we have got the value of y, which is 16 upon 15, but this is not the answer. We have to find x, and it was 4 power x to y. So you need to write the value of y here. It was 16 upon 15. Now this is an index equation. Here we cannot make the basis same, so we have to take log on both sides. So by taking log on both sides, we have x log 4 log 16 over 15. This you can write this in bracket. So by dividing this whole thing, we will get x 0.0466. You should write the answer up to 3 significant figures. So this is the way to solve these types of equation. Now let's solve the next question, next example. To solve this question, we need to substitute 3 power x by. So when we will substitute this, we'll get y power 2, y power 3. Now we need to factorize this. In order to factorize this, bring everything on left hand side. Then you can take y common. So you have y square minus y minus 1. Now we have 3 possible values of y. Either y equals to 0 or y square minus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is one value and these are two values. Now you have to use quadratic formula because breaking of middle term is not possible here. So I think you'll get under root 5 here, 2. So you'll get two values of y here, which will be 1.6180 and the other value is negative. You can calculate yourself that value. Now we have 3 values of y. So we must have, we have to work for x. So let's see how many values of x we will get. So by replacing y by 3x, we have 3x equals to 0, 3x equals to 1.6180, 3x equals to negative whatever. So when we take log for 0, we get infinite, no answer. So this is invalid. if you will take log to the last value, like log 3x power x log negative number, so you know this will be invalid because log does not exist for negative number. So log will exist only for this value, the second one. So log 3x 1.6180. Therefore when you will calculate, I'm sorry, the right side should be 1.6180 log के साथ. So x will be 0.483 in three significant figures. This is the way to solve these types of equations. So we have done all the types, and the explanation of this chapter logarithms have been finished, alhamdulillah. So good luck. We will discuss questions in the next lecture, inshallah.